Hey, welcome to Recreation USA. Let's take a quick look at this brand new 2026 Forest River Columbus 383 RLH fifth wheel. This luxurious fifth wheel has it all. It comes equipped with a stackable washer and dryer, triple ACs, kitchen island, east-west king bed, 1.5 bathrooms. Front master bathroom is massive with his and her sinks and a huge walk-in closet. It also has table and chairs, dining area, theater seating, and a trifold sofa. Large mounted TV over a fireplace. Let's not forget the 3 slides with slide toppers. You have to come see this fifth wheel for yourself. Take a look at the description below to see everything this unit has to offer. Come see it today at 5031 Dick Pond Road, Myrtle Beach, South Carolina 29588, or give us a call at 843-215-1800.